First, you need to trim all the unwanted parts. Now add a freeze frame for a steady background. To add lightning element or various other elements, go to element and search for superhero cinematic pack, and then you can use various desired elements. To add motion tracking, double click on the clip you want to add motion tracking. Select the motion tracking option as shown. Adjust the tracker as required. Start the tracking process. Adjust the tracker frame by frame for proper effect if required. Select the element you want to track and place it. Another way you can use motion tracking is by using keyframe. Now, to track with keyframe, double click on the clip you want to add keyframe. Select the keyframe option as shown. Adjust the clip as required. Now, move to next frame and make changes. Adjust frame by frame for proper effect. It takes a while as you work frame by frame. Now let's see how to track this thunder element by keyframe. Select the thunder element and adjust the position. Now click the keyframe icon. Start keyframing frame by frame as shown. This will be as good as motion tracking. do motion tracking of our skull. Select the superhero cinematic element and place. Now, double-click on the clip you want to add motion tracking. Select motion tracking option as shown. Adjust the tracker as required. Start the tracking process. Adjust the tracker frame by frame for proper effect if required. Select the element you want to track and place it. Now let's give our video some more effects. Don't forget to add sound effects and music. Add different intros from title menu and edit it as required. At last, add some more elements and text as final touch.